Design and build comparison. Size in millimeters. Height, width, thickness, weight, resistant, usable surface, body materials, color variance. Display comparison. Display size, display type, aspect ratio, display resolution, display density, display refresh rate, touch sampling rate, display brightness, display protection. Performance and hardware comparison. Chipset model. CPU speed. CPU type. Semiconductor size. GPU. AnTuTu score, RAM capacity, RAM type, storage capacity, storage type, phone storage card, RAM and ROM capacities, fingerprint lock, face unlock. Camera comparison. Standard camera, wide angle lens, macro lens, rear camera video recording, front camera video recording. Battery comparison. Battery capacity, battery type, maximum charging speed, wireless charging. OS and UI comparison. Operating system version, operating system, operating system updates, security updates. Audio comparison. Speakers, headphone audio jack. Connectivity comparison. Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth version, NFC, USB type, OTG. SIM card. Price comparison. Comparison winner. Which is better?